Turning your engine 1X437. It's running good. The front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor without any damage. Same as well like on this side. Everything's good. This engine looks well on the pipe without battery inside. Starter not broken. Same as well like a gearbox without any damage. And on this side everything's good. Altimeter look nice, socket not broken, as you can see. Engine's turbo turn. On the top all connectors without any damage, and on the bottom oil sump without any cracks, no leaks. And turning your engine 1X437.